Viettiles coin pattern cement tiles, bringing luck and prosperity to every space. Since ancient times, the coin has symbolized wealth, good fortune, and prosperity. Inspired by this timeless motif, Viet Tiles introduces coin pattern cement tiles, combining elegant design with a sense of peace and abundance for your home. Featuring a perfectly round and balanced pattern, these tiles create harmony and stability in any space. The minimalist black and white palette easily complements various interior styles, from classic elegance to modern sophistication. Each tile is handcrafted using a non-fired process, making it eco-friendly while reflecting a commitment to sustainable living. Every step on a Viet Tiles coin pattern floor brings luck and positive energy, marking the beginning of new blessings and abundance in your home.